Welcome back! I'm so happy to see you again. Let's continue down this path on this journey, this fantastic way to really serve people with great information, set them off on the right track, one foot in front of the other with their health and fitness, and also connect people to the Young Living products that we're all passionate about and get them started off right. So I'm so excited because we are almost done. So good job. Way to get all the way through it. I know it's tough, but I'm very proud of you. I'm so happy that you decided to keep going. What we're going to do now is you need to connect your landing page to the right file so that people will be able to receive your drip campaign, okay? So remember that it went landing page and then it went to the drip campaign that people were gonna get, okay? So let's jump into that really quick. What we're gonna do is we're gonna hit my website, we're gonna go to lead capture page options and go ahead and scroll all the way to the bottom, and we are going to select from the lead capture page that we are working on, capture page options. Now, again, if you use Aweber, you can do a little Aweber integration. I don't see any reason to use Aweber because Marketing Scents comes complete with an email drip campaign system. So, you know, why bother? So what we're going to do next is we're going to go to Contact Folder, and we're going to drop down and go ahead and find the contact folder that we created, which was 28 to Elevate. That's the folder that everybody is going to go into. And when it asks for the email campaign, we're going to select the 28 to Elevate email campaign. Now here is where you can actually put in a custom confirmation page. So when people fill out their lead form and they put in their name and they put in their email address, the next page that they go to is something that is really special just for them, just for this project. So if you wanted to do that, you can select Create Custom Page, and we would call this 28 to Elevate. And again, I typically do no theme. That's just my thing. And here's where you have your headline. You can put in another photo. So we can say, thank you for joining. Main text. Really important point that sometimes will get missed is you do want to say, if you have any problems, be sure to contact, and then put your contact information in there so that if there's any problems, any questions, somebody needs to get a hold of you, they know how to do it. And just to make it pretty, I'm going to go ahead and put that same image in there. If you have an image of yourself and your face that you want to use, you can drop that in there too, so people know who they're connecting with. So there you go. So save changes, and let's preview it. Good. Excellent, excellent. Okay, so that's all set up now. So we're going to go back to our lead capture page, back to capture page options. And now for our confirmation page, we're going to select 28 to Elevate. So then, by default, people who fill out your lead capture page, they're usually sent to the first page of your website, but we created a custom confirmation page, so that should be the first thing that they see. Everything should be on the up and up. So let's try it out. We need to test everything. So I'm going to take my link, head for my Go Beverly, Beverly at the leaf drop, and submit. Okay, so this is going to the first page of my website. So let's go back to lead capture page options. Oh, we must not have hit the save button. Hit the save button, everybody. So 28, confirmation page is 28. And we are not going to have this pre-recorded message prompt. Make sure to turn that off. Okay, here we go. Let's try this again. We're going to refresh it. And Beverly. Submit. There we go. Okay, so we've got a custom page there. That email will now arrive in our inbox, and then starting tomorrow, which would be day 1, they will get that very first email that is in the email campaign, and everything will be up and running. So there you go. Isn't that awesome and wonderful? The last thing that I do want to show you is just a really quick option, which is if you are going to be starting this as a group. So let's say that you want to do this not as an email drip campaign, but you actually want to do it as a team. The way you're going to send out these emails is you can have that same landing page where it says, you know, sign up, we're going to be starting on January 5th, for example, okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to create the contact folder, put the email campaign. You're not going to do it in campaign form. I know that seems really odd, but what's going to happen instead is you're going to go into marketing and you're going to go into your email broadcast tool. And what you'll do is instead of creating a 28-day campaign, you're going to create a series of broadcast emails. And so you'll come down to your 28 to elevate. And this is where you're going to build your message. I'm just going to say test on everything. We're going to continue to step 4. And then what you're going to do is you will schedule your day of delivery. So let's say that you were going to start it January 5th, or how about 4th, because that's a Monday. And then you would set the time and you would hit save and finish. And that is going to schedule that email for you. Then you'll grab your text for the next email, you'll go back in and you'll schedule it for the next day. And it's going to go to those contacts that you have in that folder. And everybody will get it. What's nice about that is that even people that join a little bit later, like let's say that they join on day 5, they'll start getting the emails from day 5 on. The only way to make sure that every single person, no matter what day they sign up on, starts with day 1 is to put it into the email drip campaign. But there is this broadcast delivery method as well if you want to do it as a team challenge. So there you go, you guys. Friend, I hope that your mind is full and that you are excited about starting your very first 28-day challenge that you can do with your fellow downline members, you can do it with friends, you can do it with clients, and if you follow the 28-day challenge yourself, you are going to be amazed at what it will help you do for your mind, for your body, just all over health and wellness, which is absolutely what we love here at Young Living. So thank you for joining me once more for Technology Tuesday. I look forward to seeing you next Tuesday. Have an absolutely beautiful week. Goodbye.